This New Year message is from Srirangam. Iniya Viswavasu Varusha Vartikal. On this auspicious occasion, Srimati Geeta Madhavan, our member, is presenting you Sudarsana Shadgam. The speciality is the first alphabet of the 6 stanzas add up to Sahasrara Humfat, the Bijaksharam of Sudarsana Alvar. Those hearing this with devotion will be blessed all through the life and be victorious always. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarsana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarsana.
Shri Venkatanathaya Kavitarkika Kesari Vedantacharya Varyo me Sannidhattam Sada Hriti Sahasraditya Sankasham Sahasravadanam Prabhum Sahasradam Sahasraram Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Asantaharakeyuram Mukutankadabhushanam Bhushane Bhushidatanum Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Sahakara Sahitam Mantram Patantam Shatrunigraham Sarvadosha Prasamanam Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Ranatkinkini Jalena Rakshasagnam Tam Adbhutam Vyaptikesham Virupaksham Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Omkara Bhairavam Bhimam Pranatatiharam Prabhum Sarvaroga Prasamanam Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Patkarantamanideshyam Mahamantrena Samyutam Shubham Prasannavadanam Prabhatyeham Sudarshanam Yedei Shadbhihi Stuto Deva Prasanno Bhagavanihi Raksham Karod Sarvatra Sarvatra Vijayi Bhavet Sarvatra Vijayi Bhavet Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave